It's day 2 of the Roam Scotland Rally. We've had a nice sleep last night here in this cove, just outside Tarbert. Lindsay had a dip and I had a quick wash in the sea last night just to freshen up a bit. Having a quick liquid breakfast, and then we are going to hit the road. One of the things with this trip, in comparison to some of the other ones that we've done, is we found we're going to have to get ourselves up and out of bed and on the road a lot earlier. So it's still about 6:45, and that'll help us get the miles in for the day, and also means at the other end we can get into the tent earlier and get a bit of recovery. As it's day after day, 100k is it's definitely going to be a challenge. The legs were tired last night, and then when we were trying to find our camp spot, we had to do a little bit of biking as well, both of which we were ready to collapse by the time we got to getting into the tent. No, there was no midges at all. No midges in Scotland. It's all good. So we are down here in Tarbert. We're just on that little island. And then we've got today's ride. It's going to take us right there across here, out to the west coast, following the coast all the way up, and all the way up to Crinan. Should be pretty beautiful. Lots of amazing views. It's about, maybe this is one of the slightly shorter days, and maybe, I don't know, we'll have to see. It was just under 6,000 feet of elevation yesterday. It was like 5,800 feet of climbing. This looks like a pretty awesome day. This is probably the day I'm looking forward to the most. I'm really interested to get out to the west of this peninsula and see the views. Somewhere I've never been before, and that's the nice thing about this kind of event, where it's a rally. You get someone else generates a course, and for me that's unique because Lindsay and I have always thought up our own routes and planned them ahead of time, but with this one, someone else has done all the labour. This is a morning maintenance. Scrub off the extra dirt and debris on the chain from yesterday. There we go. Nice. Put it in here with all my other little tools and hacks and bodges you need to carry. Today's first cafe stop, where we hope we might meet up with some more of the group, because I think some of them got an early start, and there was a few B&Bers and people that were in the town last night, so a nice easy getaway this morning. And the cafe stop's 20k in, and hopefully we'll regroup a little bit and catch up with some folks. That was very good fun. Coming up, seeing all the hills. Left?
No, the route is right.
Alright.
Just making me wonder where the cafe stop is. The cafe stop is left. Port van, left and then right.
Good. Now we're in search of a cafe and maybe some other cyclists. Hey, left, left. See you cafe. Side of the peninsula north of Tarbert, and this is quite spectacular.
So beautiful.
We're heading up to Crinan, and there's potentially a campsite at Loch, so we're not sure if we'll end up there tonight or we'll do some more wild camping.
We'll be able to, I'm looking forward to seeing the views of Jura. Hopefully, as we go up the west side, we should be able to see out to the island. Never seen this bit, and I expect it's going to be just stunning.
Well done, sir. That is a steep hill. We're climbing away from the coast now, and that last one was a real toughie, but there's a few rolling hills ahead.
A journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to play. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me.
It's one of those blue skies, but yet it's spitting with rain. Is it going to rain hard enough to put the jackets on, or is it just a shower? And how wet do you get before you change your mind? So when you last saw us, we were just getting a few spits of rain, which turned into quite a heavy shower and on and off rain until we reached Tarbert. And there's a camping caravan site here with shot showers and an opportunity to wash our kit. And it was to brighten up tonight, so it was a good opportunity to wash our kit so we can dry it for tomorrow. So we've done all that. Unfortunately, the local inn was fully booked, so we weren't able to get in for any tea, but we had enough oatcakes and cheese and other supplies in our bags to see us through, and we'll pick up some more food tomorrow on the route. So yeah, so we're in a nice little campsite. Plenty of space. Not really anybody around us, and we're going to get settled in early because we probably cropped today by maybe about 10 or 12 kilometres, maybe 15 kilometres before where we would have finished at Crinan. So it means tomorrow is going to be from here all the way to Oban, and it's going to be a big day. We have time to get head down. Just discovered that the pillows could do this. She's not so amused.